I need to speak to Boomer.
What do you really want out of life, Frankie?
I want to be picked up by a hot girl in a hot car and driven off into the sunset. I'm sick of everyone and I'm sick of myself.
She just needs the right mentor. Her self-belief can mean the difference between success and failure. I'm gonna help you get out of here.
So many, can't tell anybody.
Let's talk about you. Nice try. I want you to be serious.
Yeah. But you won't. Caught up in the way that you played my heart. Only love could ever.
Did you do this for any of them?
Don't think I'm gonna go easy on you.
Frankie.
What about where you cross your legs when I come closer?
Why would I want to impress you? Has my sexuality got anything to do with it? I was worried about you, that's all.
How do I make you stay when it's easier to let you go?
This isn't even about the rumours. This is about what I told you.
Nobody
That's got
knows
nothing to
what
do
we
with
know about it. No one needs to know.
You're a good person, Frankie.
I'm not a good person!
Yes, you are.
Call me when you made up your mind, but you won't. Caught up in the way that you played my heart. Only love could ever hit this heart. Oh, don't be scared about it.
So you got my back.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Do you remember the way it made you feel? Do you remember the things that
I thought we weren't doing this anymore.
We can still talk.
when you live to your limit? You gave all you're given. Who you gonna pray to when you're there?
Do you miss me?
Will you find out that there ain't no other love? No other love for you.
I can't. I know. I can't. I know. Not here. Not yet.
Oh, don't be
You've got to get yourself if you think I've got the hots for you.
The story about me, Frankie.
Do you remember the way it made you feel?
I'm sorry.
You did nothing wrong.
Do you remember the things it made you feel?
I know that's wrong. And I know what it means.
When you think about it, do you remember me?
I have never treated a client with such potential as Frankie before.
Are you turning me on?
I prefer Fridget.
What are you afraid of?